This 2016 Viko 30 is a vessel that masterfully blends exhilarating sailing performance with a luxury, family-friendly accommodation. It has a really smart layout with all the lines leading to the rear, ensuring ease of handling even with limited crew. The boat's powered by a Yanmar engine and has a tiller steering system. The interior on this boat is so luxurious and so spacious. It's got a 6'3" internal head height. The vessel has a well-equipped galley and a spacious saloon. And the head on this boat is massive. This vessel will sleep 6 people in comfort. We've got a double V berth at the front. 2 people can sleep in the saloon area, and we've got a double berth at the back. The Viko now comes with a special offer of 3 months 3 berthing at Ganway Marina in North Wales. For more information on this boat and all of the others available, visit lakelandleisurebootsales.co.uk.